Hi, my name is Emily Milan, and I'm staff librarian at Brooks Free Library. And I've come today to do a quick tech talk on the Clams library app. This application is downloadable on a tablet or smartphone and allows you to manage your Clams account, search the catalog, and do some other neat things that I'll show you today. So you'll start by downloading the app through the App Store, whichever App Store is appropriate for your device. If we go to the App Store, we'll give it a minute to load. The first thing you're going to do is search for the app in the search bar. So right in here, we'll type Clams. You'll see that it starts to predict your options, and the first one that pops up is Clams Library. So we'll tap on that, and we'll choose to open in this case because I've already downloaded it. If you haven't downloaded the app, your option there will be to download it first, and then once it's been downloaded to your device, you can open it from there. Starting from the top, your menu options are Catalog, My Account, My Library, Book Look, which is a really neat feature I'll show you later. There's also a link to Overdrive, which is our downloadable audiobooks and ebooks, an event calendar, and links to the Clams Facebook page and Twitter account. Starting with the catalog, we can search, and we can search by book title, author, publisher, or keyword. So we'll do a quick search for a popular author, James Patterson. Oops. All right. Once we're done, you'll see that we have a whole list of items available from James Patterson. At the end of the title, it will indicate whether the item is a sound recording, an electronic resource such as an ebook, and if there's no indication after the title, then we know that that's a print book. We can choose an item, and it will show us some more information. This is a downloadable audio file, tells you the format, and it gives you some subject and other information. If we go back to holdings by tapping the tab up here in the upper left corner, we can choose a print book, here we go, and see the locations where this item is. Oh, this is a new item. So we see that a copy has already been ordered for West Barnstable and another for Barnstable. As items are placed on order, they'll go back into this, be added to that record. Here's Miracle at Augusta. This one indicates that it's a large print, and you can place it on hold by clicking Request right here. You'll be asked to enter your library card number and PIN to log into your account, and then from there you can request the book. You can also manage your account from the home page, so I'll use the right menu and go back to Home and choose My Account. From here, you can see all of the items that you have checked out, and you can renew and request materials from here as well. So I'll log into my account to give you an overview of all of the options you have from here. I'll try to log into my account. All right, so it says Welcome Emily, and it tells me that I have 16 items checked out, 38 items requested, and a current balance of $0. I can go and look at the items that I currently have checked out, and if there's an item that's due soon that I know I won't be able to return on time, I can renew that. So let's see here. Here's a video. I'll click to renew. And on the next page, it will confirm. Oh, confirmation required. Click to renew. There we go. So now that item has been renewed for another week. If we go back to the home menu, you can also look for your library. This option allows you to look at, this is on Dennis Memorial right now. I was looking this up this morning because I wanted to see what their hours were. So I can click on Location and Hours. It will give me an address as well as their hours. If I'm not sure where this library is located, I can click on the blue arrow to the right, and I can even ask for directions or view the library on a map. That's It's really helpful when you have an item that's available somewhere else at a library that you've never visited and you want to go and pick it up today. The really fun feature on this app is Book Look. Book Look allows you to scan the ISBN on a book, if you see it in a store or a friend has it, and it will pull that item up in our catalog so you can request it directly from the app. So I'm just going to activate Book Look. It's going to tell me, click here to activate scanner. The scanner uses the camera on your device to scan the ISBN code. But if you don't have a camera on your device, you can always enter the numbers up here and look it up that way. I'm going to use the camera feature this time. Activates the camera. I hold it over the ISBN. And now that it has scanned the ISBN, it pulls the book up in the catalog. So it shows me that this title, there are multiple copies of this title available. I can select one. And by clicking on the blue bar, I can request this. Anytime you request an item through the app, it's going to ask you which library you would like to pick the item up at. And it always, by default, puts your home library, which in this case is Brooks, at the top of the list. So I'll just choose a pickup location. And we'll let that load. So now that item has been placed on hold for me, and the way my account is set up, I'll get an email when the item comes in. You may still have your account registered to receive a phone call. For some people, that's easier. You'll get a phone call to let you know that the item is ready to be picked up. So those are some of the features of the Clams app. Like I said, this is available to be downloaded on any tablet or device. You just go through your app store, search for Clams, and download the app. Another thing I want to show you while we're here is I've pulled up our website, brooksfreelibrary.org. I want to show you a few things on our homepage that you may not be aware of. At the top of the homepage, we have a subscribe to our Tech Talk email link. If you click on this link, it'll open a quick little information sheet asking for your first and last name as well as your email address. From here, if you submit your email address, you'll get a once monthly newsletter outlining all of our upcoming Tech Talks at the library and out in the community. Some of those events include, I'm going to switch over to our calendar, our Device Advice Drop-In Hour on Wednesday evenings from 5:30 to 6:30, and we have monthly Tech Talks on the second Saturday of the month. In April, on April the 11th, the morning Tech Talk will be on the iOS devices, Apple devices like the iPhone and iPad. The afternoon program will be on Google Drive 101. Hope to look forward to seeing you there. Thank you.